Hi, I'm Meenakshi, and here's a space of a residential building lobby that we've recently completed. Since it's in a posh locality of Bandra, my clients actually wanted that to kind of reflect in the interior of the space. Right from starting off with showing them a mood board of the different kind of color palettes that they can adapt to, the kind of lighting they can have, the kind of materials that they can select, we went ahead, we made photorealistic 3D renders. That's when they actually got an idea of what their space is gonna turn out to be. When I first saw the space, what I really noticed is the double height that it has. So my first idea was to enhance the height of the space. Right from the way the paneling has been done in the design, the vertical lines are really enhanced. And what does this best out here is the lighting. This gave a sort of a continuity. It lets your eyes, not settle down in one place and actually look around and experience the whole space as one cohesive unit. So as soon as you enter, you see this large chandelier, which is actually the highlight of the space, because this is one thing that you can see even when you're outside on the road. You see these two walls which have lights happening on it. There's lighting coming from the bottom as well, so it really enhances the overall look of the space. Apart from that, I knew I wanted to highlight the building signage. Ruby itself is a gemstone. So while doing the signage, I got inspired by that. We wanted that richness to come out, so we've used back painted glass, and we have the branding Ruby in black, which stands out. The materials that we used out here are extremely sustainable and termite free. There are charcoal panels used which have beige and gold. There is a wooden texture to the ACP paneling that we've used. So it's a combination of different textures, different materials coming together to form a very appeasing space. The architecture of the building itself, the way the lifts are placed, was so symmetric that in itself was very intuitive to me to continue that geometry in the interior as well. Speaking about this artwork, it's a really special piece to me. This is something that's done by my mother. She's an artist. We ended up working together to personalize this for this space. So there's gold leafing used, and the entire color that you see is very close to all the tones that are there in the building lobby. The idea was to make this space as warm and as welcoming and as classy in the same time. So there's actually an entire journey that our clients go through along with us before we see a well-executed space.